Welcome to one-to-one mentoring. This is one of my favorite ways to work with people because of the truly life-changing transformations that can happen. One-to-one mentoring is reserved for people who are already enrolled in Undone Academy. And the reason for that is because Undone Academy invites you into this whole framework and foundation and new vocabulary. It lies all the groundwork out so that when you come to mentoring, we're ready to dive deep where the real change can happen. I'm not a therapist, but I am a certified mindfulness and meditation teacher. And I've also done a half dozen different trainings with teachers like Eckhart Tolle, Jack Kornfield, Tara Brach, Gabor Mate, and Richard Schwartz. And all of these different lenses really inform the approach that I use when I work with people. Particularly that internal family systems is one of my favorite lenses to work with. But really the most valuable thing that I bring to this mentoring relationship is my own lived experience from walking through my own rock bottom and having to allow myself to be undone at that really core level. And having been sponsored or mentored through that journey in myself has given me unduplicatable experience that can be paid forward as I'm able to mentor others through that journey. That lived experience allows me to see and know things that I couldn't see or know any other way, and help you recognize things in yourself that you might not be able to see without that extra help or that extra perspective or lens, just like I couldn't see it when I was at that place in my journey. The other asset that I think is so valuable that I can uniquely offer is the time and the years of my life I've invested into cultivating this frequency of presence within myself. And that frequency is what I have learned to be able to offer to the people I work with, especially in this one-to-one mentoring space. And that frequency of presence, that place of center and openness and connection and aliveness, that higher self energy, is what allows your higher self, your deepest wisdom, to come forward. And once you have that, once you have found that in yourself, that's power, because nobody else can take that from you. And then you're not dependent on anyone outside of you to find that wholeness and to really know and trust your next right step. So mentoring is power. And if that kind of power resonates with you, I hope you'll consider Undone Academy so that we could work together on a one-to-one basis. It's one of my favorite things to do.